Hello, this video demonstrates the concept of control system. A man moving from one place to another place is considered for demonstration. How the human system works is exposed. In human control system, brain is the controller, eyes are sensors, target input is given to the human system. Feedback information about the target position where he has to reach is fed to his brain through the eyes sensors. The feedback control system is displayed. Brain, human body and eyes are the human system. The output is the movement of human system. In general, the system response is shown in a graph. In the graph, x-axis represents the time in seconds, y-axis is the percentage output of the system. The maximum output is the target, it is 100%, as shown in the display. The time taken for raising the output from 10% to 90% is called raise time. The time taken for raising the output from 0 to 95% is called settling time. All are shown in the display. The response graphs are also displayed at each instant. Depending upon the error signal only, the brain produces control signal at each instant. Time elapsed between one instant to another instant is normally called as sampling period. Brain is the controller within the human system, produces control signal. The signal sends to the human body, activates to move the body. The movement is from starting point to first position at the end of first instant. From the first instant, getting the error from feedback, the brain once again sends signals to the body, actuates to move further to second position. Likewise, from second to third position, third to fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. The sampling period for human system is very less and the man is walking smoothly and reaches the target position with normal speed. If he wants to move with more than normal speed, his movement and the response curve are shown. Movement is still faster, his movement and the response curve are shown. Please note the raise time and settling time are reduced. If he moves faster, he is not able to stop at the target point and moves above from the target position. The excess distance moved is called as overshoot, shown in the graph and also in his movement. He has to come back to settle at the target point. When he further increases his speed, he may fall down. It means loses his stability. Therefore, there should be a minimum response time for each system. Hence, varying input also not faster to produce the same variation in the output at certain maximum frequency. There should be a bandwidth for operating frequency of a system. I hope this video educates you to realize the concepts of control. Thank you.